If you're thinking about diving into Fanatics, there are a few key things you absolutely need to know before you hit that purchase button. Stick with me until the end of this video, and I'll walk you through everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Now, when you compare Fanatics to competitors like StockX, Goat, or eBay, it stands out in certain areas, but also has its drawbacks. Let's dive in. The first thing you should know is that Fanatics is widely recognized for its incredible selection of sports memorabilia, fan gear, and exclusive drops. They've partnered with major leagues like the NFL, NBA, MLB, and NCAA to give you access to licensed merchandise you won't find just anywhere. This focus on licensed gear is a big selling point, especially if you want the assurance that what you're buying is authentic. Next thing you should know is that Fanatics offers a wide range of pricing, from affordable fan gear to high-end collectibles. However, the pricing can sometimes feel a bit steep for limited edition items or autographed pieces. This is where the competition, like eBay or even Amazon, might have a better value for similar items. But if you're looking for guaranteed authenticity and rare finds, Fanatics prices can be worth it for those who want peace of mind. The third thing to note is their return policy. Fanatics has a pretty straightforward return process, which is critical for buyers worried about authenticity or product quality. If something's not right with your order, you can return it within 30 days for a refund or exchange. This is a more customer-friendly policy compared to platforms like StockX, where returns can sometimes be a bit more of a hassle. However, be sure to check the specific return policy for collectibles, as some items might not be eligible for returns once opened. The fourth thing to keep in mind is Fanatics' membership program, Fanatics Rewards. This gives you access to exclusive discounts, early access to sales, and points on every purchase. If you're a regular buyer, this can really add up. However, compared to programs from competitors like StockX, Fanatics Rewards isn't as refined. StockX offers a more tiered system where you can gain points with every transaction, while Fanatics' program is more focused on free shipping and discounts. Another point to consider is the shipping. Fanatics is known for its fast delivery, especially on in-demand items, though shipping costs can add up, depending on where you're located. Unlike competitors like Goat, which often have more competitive shipping rates on smaller items, Fanatics' shipping fees might feel a bit higher for those smaller, non-collectible purchases. Next thing you should know is that Fanatics frequently offers exclusive drops and limited edition products. These are great for collectors who want to get their hands on unique items before they sell out. The downside? The site can sometimes crash or be slow to load during these high traffic times. So, if you're after that limited edition jersey or sneaker, be prepared to act fast. The last thing I want to mention is the customer service. Fanatics generally gets good reviews for its customer service, but during peak seasons or big drops, you might experience longer wait times. This is something to keep in mind if you run into any issues with your order. So, to recap, Fanatics is a great option if you're looking for authentic, high-quality merchandise from your favorite sports teams, but be prepared to pay a bit more for the privilege. If you're someone who loves exclusive drops or is a fan of rare collectibles, it's a fantastic platform. Just make sure you're okay with slightly higher prices, potential shipping costs, and the occasional wait time during peak drops. If you want to try out Fanatics for yourself and get the best possible offer, click the first link in the description below. You'll get access to an exclusive free trial and some exclusive benefits that you can't get anywhere else. Don't forget to click that link and grab your exclusive deal.